This is Sarmaya. Most companies aren't held back because they lack software. They're held back because their systems don't follow their governance, their policies, or the way their teams actually work. That's the real problem. At Sarmaya, we solve exactly that. We build custom, AI-powered operating systems for finance, procurement, HR, supply chain, and operations. Not templates, not generic tools, fully custom systems built around your data, your rules, and your workflows. Your governance stays in control. AI becomes the assistant, explaining every decision, highlighting patterns, and reducing manual work without compromising compliance. Sarmaya is a subsidiary of TAG Group, operating since 2006. We've supported growing companies, enterprise groups, multi-location operations, CFOs, COOs, and department heads tired of spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected systems. We give them something better, a governed, explainable, agentic system that handles workflows the way they've always wanted. So ask yourself, is there any workflow inside your company that slows the team down? Something you wish your systems could handle, but they never do? If yes, we can build it, exactly the way you need it to work. Sarmaya, your governance, your data, your system,